This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a succession certificate affidavit. First, understand that this document legally establishes the rightful heirs to a deceased person's assets. It's crucial for transferring property, bank accounts, and other valuables. Eligibility typically includes close family members like spouses, children, or parents. Before you begin, ensure you have all required documents ready, such as the death certificate and proof of relationship. Gathering the correct documents is a critical step. You'll need the original death certificate of the deceased, along with their identity proof. Also, provide clear evidence of your relationship to the deceased, like a marriage certificate or birth certificate. Make a comprehensive list of all assets, including bank accounts, property, and investments, as well as any outstanding liabilities or debts. Once you have all the information, it's time to draft the affidavit. Be meticulous with personal details, asset descriptions, and the names of all legal heirs. The document must include specific legal declarations affirming the truthfulness of the information provided. After drafting, take the affidavit to a public notary for proper notarization. This step legally validates your document. After notarization, file your succession certificate affidavit with the relevant court or authority. Be prepared for potential court hearings or interviews, as these are often part of the process to verify your claims. Follow up regularly on the status of your application to ensure timely processing. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.